want to get 100 Roblox gift card free, then watch the video till the end. Copy the code, paste the code, then click redeem, click verify options, while your credit balance $100 added successfully. This is my Roblox account. Click gift cards, click redeem card, and you can see my balance is 0. I will now open a new tab and write offerboxstudio.com and search. It is a trusted website. Now if you want to get Roblox gift card, then you can get it from Top Games. And go down a bit, and click here Roblox gift card generator free. After clicking you can read the article to know more details about Roblox. And if you want to get Roblox gift card, then click no claim. Now you will select the amount of gift card you want to buy. I want to buy $100, so I click on $100. You can see now a default gift card is being generated for you, and 6 codes are generated for you, and 4 codes are hidden. If you want to get the full code, then you have to do human verification. I will click on Verify Now button. You can complete any survey from here. I clicked on Cash App. Now things are very important. You have to give real document. Enter your email address. I click Continue button with my email address. Now you have to select first name, last name, full address, a city, phone number, gender. I filled the form and clicked on Continue option. Now you have to complete some survey, and it's very easy. Click anywhere you want, no problem. But at last click on Agree button and click on Continue option. Then click Text me Revod updates. View my survey complete, optional offer deals complete. Now I will do the next step. Photo. I will go to my Roblox account. You can see that my human verification is complete, and I have received my full code. I will now copy the code and write it in Notepad. And then I will copy the full code again and paste it into my Roblox account. Then I click Verify. Any of you can see my account has added $100 and my 10,000 coins are flowing. Wow! Thanks all.